Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Ahoy, pirates! In this video, I'll explain how to embark on the exciting voyage of luck in Sea of Thieves. This is a unique, time-limited quest that appears once per monthly update for all pirates. To begin your adventure, simply head to your ship's quest table and look for the Special Voyages category. It's a straightforward way to kick off your treasure hunt. There are two main types of these voyages. If you're not yet a pirate legend, you'll receive the Standard Voyage of Luck, typically focused on gold hoarder treasures. However, if you've achieved pirate legend status, you'll be granted the Legendary Voyage of Luck, which often leads to high-value Athena's fortune loot. Both variants promise exciting rewards for your efforts. Keep an eye out for the incredibly rare Golden Map variant. You'll know it by its distinctive gold trim and the promise of up to 15 buried treasures. These special maps guarantee some of the most valuable items in the game, including a box of wondrous secrets and a chest of fortune. Finding one is truly a stroke of pirate luck. To maximize your chances, ensure you complete your available Voyage of Luck each month. You can also earn these voyages through Twitch drops by watching participating Sea of Thieves streamers for about 1.5 hours during promotional periods. Remember, a golden map guarantees a box of wondrous secrets, a chest of fortune, a reaper's bounty, and a reaper's chest, making it incredibly rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.